Hi guys, and welcome back. I have another Valentine's inspired DIY for y'all, so let me not waste time and let's jump into this DIY. Okay, so starting off for this DIY, I picked up this sign from Dollar Tree that comes with 7 hearts, and I had 1 heart left over and I used it for another DIY. And for that tutorial, I will be posting that on my Instagram at Live for Creating, so be sure to check that out. But for this one, I used 6 hearts in total, and I am gonna separate them, so I did remove the staples with this tool I had. This tool is from the Cricut, and it's a flathead, so this helped me remove the staples, and this actually did the job pretty good. The staples are really not that in there, so I'm pretty sure whatever you use, you can get them out easy. And once that was done, I am trying to remove the paper, but I was struggling a little bit. So at the end, I just ended up removing the letters and the fabric that came with the hearts and sanding it down as smooth as I could get it. If y'all are wondering where I got the sand block, I did get it at Dollar General. So once that is done with and your hearts are prepped and ready for painting, I will be using 6 different tones, 6 different colors of paint. And I was trying to go for a neutral look. So you will see the colors that I chose, and I ended up just adding some white to the last 3 colors to get them to a pastel look. But if you want to just pause the screen so you can take a screenshot or write them down if you are interested. And for the first 3 colors, I actually didn't dilute those. I kept them how they came. The only 3 colors that I did end up diluting were the last 3, because like I said, I was trying to get that pastel color scheme for all the hearts, and this is what I had at home in hand, so these are the ones I used. So you will see me here just painting them, and I will be going in with my heat gun to speed up the process. I ended up doing 2 to 3 coats for each heart, and like I said, for the first 3 I kept them with the same color. I didn't really dilute these. I only did it for the last 3 colors. So I will just end up painting these guys, and further on in the video you will see the colors that I do end up mixing the white with, which like I said are the last 3. And then once those were done drying, I am going in with this stencil from Walmart, and I am going ahead and using the smaller one. The big one is too big for these hearts, so it won't fit, and I will just be using those stencils and spelling out the name of my baby in white. And I will be going back in and filling in those little gaps freehand. So once I finished with the stencil and freehanding the letters and filling in the gaps, I did go in with some jute twine from Dollar Tree, and I will be hot gluing that to the back of the hearts. And it is up to you if you want to paint the back. I didn't end up painting the back. I just left it plain. But yeah, so I just ended up hot gluing some jute twine to the back of the hearts to create the garland, and added 2 dots of hot glue to each heart. And that was it for this DIY. It was so simple and so easy to do this, and I can see this being hanged on a bookshelf in your kids' room with their books, a Valentine's seasonal decor, or on a crib, or in your living room as a garland. More simple, more sophisticated. I mean, the options are endless, but this was it for this DIY, guys. It turned out so pretty. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I had so much fun making this DIY, as I do all my DIYs. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. That way y'all can stay up to date with further videos. And thank you guys so much for staying tuned and watching the full video, the full tutorial. But anyways, guys, until next time.